It is essential to understand why stretching is beneficial for fat loss. When we stretch, we increase blood flow to our muscles, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients, aiding in the fat burning process. There are two main types of stretches: dynamic and static. Dynamic stretches involve continuous movement and are often used as part of a warm-up routine before exercise. Static stretches involve holding a position for a set period without movement. These stretches are typically performed after a workout to improve flexibility and prevent muscle soreness. In this video, we will explore a variety of stretches specifically designed to help you burn fat and achieve your fitness goals. So, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Number 1. Standing Forward Fold. Variation 1. Ragdoll Fold. After reaching the standing forward fold position, bend your knees slightly and grab opposite elbows with your hands. Allow your upper body to hang loose, feeling a gentle stretch along the entire spine and back of the legs. Variation 2. Chair Forward Fold. Place a chair in front of you and rest your hands on its seat. Walk your feet back until your body forms an L shape. Hinge at the hips and lower your chest towards the floor, keeping your back straight. This variation provides additional support and allows for a deeper stretch. Number 2. Downward Facing Dog. Variation 1. Three-legged downward dog. From the downward facing dog position, lift one leg towards the ceiling while keeping the hips squared. Press through the hands to lift the hips higher and elongate the extended leg. This variation intensifies the stretch in the hamstrings and calves while engaging the core for stability. Variation 2. Downward Dog to Plank. Transition from downward facing dog to plank pose by shifting your weight forward until your shoulders align with your wrists. Hold the plank for a few breaths before returning to the downward facing dog. This dynamic movement sequence engages multiple muscle groups, including the core, arms, and shoulders, while promoting flexibility and strength. Number 3. Seated Forward Bend. Variation 1. Wide-legged forward bend. Sit with your legs extended wide apart. Fold forward from the hips, reaching towards the floor with your hands. Keep your spine long and chest open as you deepen the stretch. This variation targets the inner thighs, groin, and lower back, providing a comprehensive stretch for the lower body. Variation 2. One-legged forward bend. Extend one leg straight in front of you and bend the opposite knee, placing the sole of the foot against the inner thigh of the extended leg. Fold forward over the extended leg, keeping the spine straight. This variation isolates the stretch to one leg at a time, allowing for a deeper stretch in the hamstrings and calves. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 4. Standing Quadriceps Stretch. Variation 1. Wall Quadriceps Stretch. Stand facing a wall and place one hand on it for support. Bend one knee and grab the ankle of the same leg with your hand. Gently press the hips forward while keeping the knees together, feeling a stretch in the front of the thigh. This variation allows for greater stability and control while stretching the quadriceps muscle. Variation 2. Standing Quadriceps Stretch with Rotation. Perform the standing quadriceps stretch as described, but add a rotation towards the bent knee. Reach the opposite arm towards the ceiling and twist the torso gently, engaging the core and stretching the hip flexors and obliques. This variation incorporates elements of balance and core stability while enhancing the overall stretch. Number 5. Cat-cow stretch. Transition between cat and cow poses dynamically, moving with the breath. Inhale as you arch the back into cow pose, lifting the chest and tailbone. Exhale as you round the spine into cat pose, tucking the chin and engaging the abdominals. Flow smoothly between the two poses for several breaths, focusing on the fluidity of movement and the connection between breath and motion. Number 6. Standing Side Stretch. Step one foot back into a lunge from a standing position, keeping the front knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Extend the front arm overhead and reach towards the back of the room, creating a long line from the fingertips to the back heel. Engage the core and lift through the chest, feeling a deep stretch along the side body. This variation combines stretching with strength building, simultaneously targeting the legs, hips, and obliques. To ensure the effectiveness of these stretches for fat loss, it's essential to integrate them strategically into your fitness routine. Consider the following tips. Perform dynamic stretches before your workout to warm up the muscles and prepare them for exercise. Dynamic stretches help increase blood flow, range of motion, and overall flexibility, reducing the risk of injury during physical activity. Follow your workout with static stretches to cool down the muscles and promote recovery. Static stretches help release tension, improve flexibility, and prevent muscle soreness, allowing for faster recovery and better performance in subsequent workouts. Set aside dedicated time for stretching sessions, either in the morning to energize your body and mind, or in the evening to relax and unwind after a long day. Incorporating these effective stretches into your daily routine and fitness regimen can optimize your fat-burning potential, improve flexibility and mobility, and enhance overall health and well-being. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, these stretches offer a versatile and accessible way to support your fat loss goals and achieve long-term success. Remember to listen to your body, honor your limits, and practice consistency and patience as you progress on your journey to a fitter, leaner you. Stretch your way to fat loss and discover the transformative power of flexibility training in achieving your fitness aspirations. Don't forget to check out our other videos on this channel. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time on Discovering Hub Sports, stay informed, share your thoughts, and subscribe.